Welcome back. If you're just getting started with Microsoft OneNote, the first thing you'll want to do is create a notebook. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process, from opening OneNote to creating and naming your notebook so you can start organizing your notes right away. So yeah, let's get started. First, launch Microsoft OneNote on your computer or open the web version in your browser. If you aren't signed in yet, log in using your Microsoft account. After signing in, OneNote will display your existing notebooks or a welcome screen if this is your first time using it. Next, look for the new notebook option. Depending on the version you're using, you may find it in the navigation pane, the file menu, or on the home screen. Click it to begin creating a brand new notebook. Now enter a name for your notebook. Choose something descriptive like work notes, school projects, or personal planner so it's easy to recognize later. Once you've entered the name, confirm to create the notebook. After creating it, OneNote will automatically save the notebook to your Microsoft account if cloud syncing is enabled. This means you'll be able to access the same notebook from your other devices whenever you sign in with the same account. Your notebook is now ready to use. The next step is creating your first section and page. Sections help organize different categories, while pages are where you'll actually write your notes. Add one of each so your notebook is ready for your first project. Finally, click anywhere on the page and begin typing. OneNote saves everything automatically, so, you can simply focus on your notes without worrying about saving your work manually. And that's how you create a notebook in Microsoft OneNote. It only takes a few moments, and once it's set up, you can keep all your notes organized in one place. I mean, it's a great way to stay organized. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more OneNote tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.